Hello and welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a phone number to your Remitly account on PC. Adding your phone number is essential for an added security and verification purposes when using Remitly services. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type remitly.com and then hit enter. To add a phone number, you need to be logged in to your Remitly account. Once you're logged in, at the top right corner, you can see the word welcome. Now click on it. Click on the settings option from the drop-down menu to access your Remitly account settings. Navigate to the phone number section labeled as phone number. Click on the add button beside it. Select your country code if you haven't already mentioned your address. Now type in your phone number. Double check to ensure its accuracy. Once you're done, click the save button to save it to your Remitly account. And that's it. You've successfully added your phone number to your Remitly account. Hope this tutorial helped you. Please like and subscribe our channel for more video updates. Thanks for watching.